Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude with Feel Free Day 22 of the 30-day yoga challenge. And somebody at my job got on my nerves. Paperwork coming that I don't want to do. I'm tired. It's time to go. I'm frustrated. The boss ain't saying what I need to say. I'm stuck. It's just all these things that have brought stress into my job. I have to manage it without going crazy. At the job, on the job, doing the work that I love and I care about, or just doing the work I need to do to pay the bills. I can't get down on the ground and do a whole yoga session, but I do need to manage all of these emotions, this energy, this stress, to put it in a way that's productive. Instead of going straight to Facebook and scrolling away, or going straight to another coworker and bitching away, which are no problem. You can do as here are some tips and some tools that you can use yoga to help manage your work and stress. Manage your work and stress. You know what I mean. Manage your work and stress. First thing we're going to do is we're going to bring the energy to a level that we can manage it. All that stress is energy. It's stuff that somebody told you, things that happen in your reaction to it that created energy. You want to move, you want to shut down, you want to do something else to relieve that stress. But we are going to take it, and we're going to create calm, relaxation, and peace with it. First, we're going to take our hands and we're going to bring them together like this. Yep. Rub the hands together, get all that energy, get it all in. Take a breath in, breathe in. And exhale, bring the hand over your eyes. Let the eyes feel the massage. Kind of put a little pressure on your eyes to help the brain to slow down, relax, and come to the present moment. Your eyes feel kind of weird. You see that little weird light and stuff, and you breathe in 3 times here. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. You're already managing your stress a little bit better. We're going to take these shoulders. Inhale, roll those shoulders up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then just drop them down. Don't even roll them back. Just inhale, squeeze the shoulders. Bring them up towards the ears. Feel that compression, that tightness. let the flow. One more time, squeeze, bring the shoulders up, create the tension, create the tightness, be in control of it, because now you can let it go. Blood flow increases, letting all that tension, ooh, something just pop right there. As I drop my right ear over towards my right shoulder, stretch through the neck and the shoulder, and then the left to the left shoulder, stretch there. Good. Let's inhale, bring both hands out wide, stretch, open up, take the tension out of our shoulders as we swing back, stretch back. And then exhale, bring it in. I'm gonna bring my left hand on top of the right. Oh, feel that stretch in the back of the arm and the back of the shoulders. And give myself, some much needed compassion. All that stress. And you feel like you can't even run and get away from it, you gotta deal with it, give yourself some love. At the same time, stretching through your back, your shoulder blades, the back of your arms, the tightness right there in the neck and the trapezoids, releasing here. Take these shoulders and bring them up. And bring the elbows up, good, bring the elbows up. And then drop them down. Inhale, open up. Exhale, this time, cross the right over the left. Again. Move the head side to side, left to right, bring the elbows up. And relax and open up at your own speed and pace. Taking that stressful energy and moving it out. Feeling your body move in space in time as you breathe at the same time. Good. Shake out the arms. Relax, release, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. We want to move, we want to do something, we want to tap. So I want you to take your hands in a little gentle fist like this. Good, I just want you to start to tap on your legs. Yep, this is breaking up the tight tissue, the fascia and the skin. This is taking all that stress that's running through your body, those cortisol, those hormones that are pumping the stress into your body, and just breaking it up. Relaxing, softly tap on your torso. Good, move it up. Through the center of your chest, the top of your chest, around the chest, along the sides. Yep. You can't be stressed out doing this. Add a little silliness into it, but it also is changing the biochemistry of your body, breath and movement. Give yourself a little personal massage along the back, along the forearms, all the places that get tight and tense under the armpit, helping those glands relax. Before you get too hot and sweaty under there. The arms along the sides, along the ribs, along the back. Good. Yep, just in your cubicle, in your car, in the office, in the lunchroom, before everybody pops in. Use the microwave, just give yourself some taps to bring yourself into the present moment, right here, right now, with every tap and every breath, and shake it out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. So roll it back, shake it out. I'm at my desk, and I still give myself some space to relieve the stress here at work. We're gonna stand up 3 times. Find your balance, find your strength. Inhale, stand up. Full body stretch here, breathe in. Exhale, sit down. For 1, sit up nice and tall. And if standing up ain't working for you, just bring the arms up over your head. Inhale, breathe in. We're using the major leg muscles here, creating blood flow through the whole body, helping to slow that heart down. Or your heart was racing, somebody said something crazy to you, and you didn't react. Well, you did react. Now you gotta calm yourself down. And we're gonna stand up one more time. Breathe in, both hands reach up, stretch up, lean back, open up the left back stretch. Good. Exhale, coming down. And bring the arms down to the side, and then bring them up. Oh, my shoulders just popped. Inhale. All the way up, lean back, and flexing the spine in 2 different directions. Helping us to open up, get that fluid going in the mind and the body, and take our perspective from being stressed and overwhelmed to being present, relaxed, calm, focused. Good. One more. Inhale, lean up, lean back, stretch, lean forward, lean back. Good. And both hands up. Exhale, bring the hands into the heart. Left, right. Inhale. Bring the hands down to the heart. Center yourself. Don't get lost in the stress. Come back to the breath. Good. You're gonna stretch the legs, take the tension out of the hips by crossing the legs over and extending. My legs are sticking straight out. And I'm just gonna fold forward in my chair and just kind of rock forward and bend forward. Oh, give myself some love. Going as far as you can. Make sure you don't hit your desk as you lean forward. Breathe in. Exhale, extend out. One more on this side. We'll stretch the back of your legs. You got the chair. You can come to the edge of the chair if you want to, or sit back. Whatever works for you. Good. Coming back into that seated position. Cross the legs. Inhale nice and tall. Breathe in. Exhale, forward fold. Whole body, that lower back, getting the pressure release, the hamstring, the spine, the shoulders. Good. Last one, just taking time, moving through this practice with your breath. Sit up nice and tall. Good, bring the legs wide, bring that left leg, open it up, so that stretch through the groin, through the hip. Then bring it back. 2 more times, open it up. Open, letting it flow. That stress constricts us, make us tight, make us think about how we can get out of the situation or get our point across even more. Sometimes it can make us get lost and confused, lose focus. So let that stress just flow out. Pick up the right, bring it free. Ooh, taking care of your hip. 2 and 1. Send up nice and tall. I'm gonna give it to 7 complete breaths. Every breath is going to help us release more and more of that stress to come back into our place of calm, peace, and focus. You got it all the way down your toes. Lift your toes up, let them drop down. Relax your shoulders. My face softens, nothing fazes you. You at work for whatever reason you are at work for, so let it go. Whatever somebody said, work came up that you weren't expecting, let it go. You can handle anything as long as you can breathe through it. On the count of 3, we start. 3, 2, 1. Let's inhale. And exhale. 7. Go ahead and relax your face. Stop clenching your jaw. Inhale. And exhale for 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Full body stretch here. Bring the arms up, stretch the legs out. Ooh. Move the shoulders, the hands. Shake it out. Good. Can't nothing stop you from doing what you need to do at that job. I appreciate you for choosing to release the stress and not to be stressed. Let's keep it going for this 30-day challenge. I'll see you at day 23. As always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Thank you so much. Peace.